Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you a proven strategy based on strong analysis. This strategy is designed to work effectively across various binary options, broker platforms. So, make sure to watch until the end, as this might be the key to improving your trading results. All right, everyone. Here, I'm using the vfxAlert Pro version, and here are the settings I've applied. You can follow these settings to get the best results. You can also download it through the link I've provided in the description. And this is what it looks like. Now I'll start with $200. And the broker I choose is Pocket Option. Now I will test it for 1-minute Forex trending signals. So in this video, I will test all VFX Pro signals. Do they really work or not? I see both of these signals in one applications and place trades with just one click. If both signals are the same, then I will make a purchase. Now I need to wait for this 1-minute signal period to end. My first purchase was made to test this signal. The reason I chose to buy the higher is because both of these signals are pointing in the same direction, which makes me believe that these are valid signals. I hope the results are positive because these two signals support each other. Now let's see how it turns out in the next few seconds. I would also like to remind you that this tool is also available for automated trading. So if you are interested and want to make your trading process easier, please download it. I have provided the link in the description of this video. Now I have about 15 seconds for the end of this first trade. For the first trade, I made a profit. Now let's continue with the next signal. Now we test for 1-minute Forex reversal signals. I have done the second signal test. Now, let's see the results and whether these signals provide results that match expectations. If this second signal is successful, then we can be more confident in the effectiveness of this tool. Let's wait a moment to see if our predictions are correct. Good results. Second trade was also successful. Now we test the last binary signal. Now we test for 1-minute adaptive Forex signals. For testing, the third signal is already running. Now, let's see the results, whether it will work as well as the previous signal or just the opposite. Will we get consistent results, or is there a significant difference this time? Let's monitor it together. and the results are amazing. Of these 3 types of signals, all of them provide perfect results. So, those are the results of the testing for VFX signals that I did today, guys. Hopefully this video is useful and helps all of you. Don't forget to check the description to download the pro version of VFX signals. I'm Monica. See you in the next video.